Yo, what's up YouTube? Back again with another video today, another trade recap. Had a bit of news today at 2:30, pushed the market up, and then we came back down. So I took a short on the day, up $44. I just took one trade. I just want to get in and out because obviously I've been struggling. What, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I thought, or I think Wednesday and Thursday. So I thought, let me just take one trade, take my profits, and leave the market. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, like, subscribe, comment. Let's get into it. So 4 hour, we obviously have this fair value gap, and we obviously have the change in the state of delivery. So today we had news at 2:30, and we had a massive pump with the news, and we pushed up into this fair value gap. And then yeah, so that's pretty much the pullback we were looking for in the 4 hour. To push back down. So on the 1 hour, I actually saw that we closed above the fair value gap, but on ES we closed in it. So ES was kind of looking more bearish than NQ, but I did end up taking the trade on NQ. I took it just before market open, which was kind of like risky. Normally I don't do that, but I was just watching the market, and obviously we had this massive news by the fair value gap. So I was kind of looking for a mini pullback. I was kind of bullish on NQ because we closed above the fair value gap, but it set up nicely for me to take a short, so maybe like a quick pullback, and then it spikes up again. But here we had SMT, you can see on the 1 minute, and then we had these lows over here. So manipulation, SMT ran the liquidity over here, and then we had displacement on this leg. So then I entered on the fair value gap over here, right here, and then my stop, I moved it to this wick over here on the 5 minute. So I was risking like $30 on NQ. Just took one contract. I didn't want to risk too much because obviously I was like quite close to blowing the account. If I get to 50k, I'll blow the account. And then because I wasn't sure if we were going lower yet, I decided just to target the standard deviation and this 5 minute fair value gap that we had here on the push up. So the standard deviation was the liquidity sweep over here to the lows, so like this, standard deviation. So this is the 2 to 2.5 was over here, and then this is where the 4 and 3.5 was. So I thought, let me just be conservative because this week I've been kind of too greedy with my TPs. I thought, let me just target this fair value gap for like a rebalance, because I thought it might push higher. I wasn't 100% sure on sells yet, so I quickly took these profits, and then I was looking for maybe longs. It was kind of tricky. We had on the 5 minutes, we had a fair value gap here. So we had this SMT. So I was thinking to maybe take a long. So here you can see we had a SMT, and I was thinking about longs, but we had SMT at the top as well. So I was like, which one gets broken first? Obviously this one got broken first, the bottom one. So then I was looking for a pullback. I kind of wanted to, I don't want to enter on a super low time frame. So I was waiting for, here we had like the breaker over here, and then here we had the fair value gap. So I was kind of looking for price to come back here, but unfortunately it didn't come back. And I could have chased price down because obviously we had a massive move, so normally we get a pullback at least 50% of the push up. So if I go to the hourly, you would expect a pullback to about 50%. Actually that's the wrong one. The FIB tool pullback 50% on the hourly. Encroachment. So if you go over here, I mean this is the 50% level over here, so I kind of wanted to get tapped in instantly, but unfortunately we just pulled back all the way down, and then yeah, we pretty much took out this liquidity to the left. What's it called, the propulsive move, I don't even know the ICT terms, bro. But this where the move started at 2:30 with the news. We've taken out that liquidity, which would have been like ideally pretty decent chunk of your TP, and then obviously let the runners go till let me just go on the 1 hour. We have here sell side, and then obviously all these sell sides. So I'm expecting this to get run. Maybe today we can run all this liquidity, or just this one. You might get like a pullback up and then push down again in the PM session. But yeah, I don't want to just like go crazy with the trades. I just want to leave while I'm up. I don't want to go too crazy with trades anymore. So yeah, just a quick video. I just want to run through it. Yesterday I had a stinker. I didn't post it. I was busy. But I had a break even, and I took 4 trades, but I took 2 on MES and MNQ at the same time, right? I don't know what I was doing, bro. So I thought, let me just calm it down, because Wednesday and Thursday was a bit like reckless. So I thought, let me just get back to basics, look for clear SMTs at clear break of structures on the 1 minute, because it's like I was going down to the 5 second and doing some DJ and shit. So yeah, we didn't get the pullback. I just have to let price do what it wants to do, take trades that I'm confident in, and then yeah, because this was clearly the SMT, this was clearly the change in the change, and then yeah, we just didn't get a pullback. I mean, I could have went into the 15 second and found something like, but I just wasn't super trying to like here, for example. Let me just remove this drawings. Even here, there, and then we could have entered on this, right? But I haven't had much conviction from the last 2 days, so I've kind of want to just tone it back and take like less risky setups on like higher time frames that align, you know. So I mean, I could have taken something over here, because this would have been the change, and then push down. Even was there a fair value gap over here? Sorry, SMT. No, that wasn't SMT. But yeah, I mean that's probably what the best trade would have been. But I wanted to see this low get ripped first, because I have been getting faked out this week. But first I wanted to see this low instead of this low, because I just wanted like 100% confirmation that we're going lower. Because I still wasn't sure with the 1 hour fair value gap getting closed above it on the NQ. I wasn't 100%. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the trade. Looking into next week, I mean, we could see this fair value gap get taken out and go lower, but yeah, definitely expecting these lows to get taken either today or Monday. Looking at those lows to get taken, that I'm 100% sure of. So yeah, we might wick through this fair value gap, see if we close below it on the daily or not, and then we might long it up again, and then that'll be the this will be the sell model over here, and then you might be able to start a buy model going into the middle of next week, and then we just rip higher and take out the all-time highs. So yeah, expecting it to come down here, manipulate, and then looking to long next week. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and then yeah, I'll see you next week. Actually, I mean, what, I started the week, I think I'm down for the week, quite shit. So this is the first. Yeah, that's pretty much how the weeks looked. I had a good start, and then yeah, the Wednesday and Thursday I got cooked, and then yeah, this is Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, and then today I'm just kind of playing it safe, going back to basics. All right, cool. See you guys next week. Cheers. Like